Hello, hello. Am I audible? Audio, video clear? Please mention in the chat whether the audio, video and video is clear. Hello.
Video clear?
Yes. So welcome all of you. Welcome to this free live lecture series on geometry. We'll wait for 1 or 2 minutes. By that time, please invite your friends to attend this session live. You can copy this link and share it with your friends so that they can be part of this live session. Audio, video clear, right? Please mention in the chat, those of you are watching this live.
Clear, right? Please mention in the chat.
Okay, so geometry, we have taken 1 or 2 sessions in the last week. You can check out that recording in this channel. Today we will be discussing some other aspects of geometry, 2D geometry itself, more about Unacademy Plus subscription and all. You can see here more about it. I'll tell in between the class. And this is a full-length course I am offering in the Unacademy Plus platform. Complete course on general aptitude, 8:30 to 10 a.m. and another courses 12 model question papers for CSIR NET Part A in-depth discussion course. We are starting from July 18th. Timing will be 2 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. Both these courses you can access by a single subscription of Unacademy Plus with the referral code CC10, which will give you maximum discount on your subscription. And also you can access all my other courses also by the single subscription itself. All these courses, GATE courses, DBT courses, Vedic math courses I offered, that also you can access by this subscription itself. This is how to get Unacademy Plus subscription. CC10 Live is the code to access my courses, and all your subject educators courses also you can access by this. So let us start today's session, geometry. Check again, refresh and check again. I think the audio is okay because I am checking with my phone. I hope. I think audio is okay now. So geometry, last classes I have shown you different questions on geometry. We will discuss more questions today. Last class I taught you theory, many of the theory of geometry. We'll discuss some questions today. So we will start with a very simple question, June 2017 problem. Last class we discussed what are polygons, what are the different types of polygon, how to find sum of interior angle of a polygon, exterior angle of a polygon, individual angles of a regular polygon, individual exterior angles of a regular polygon. All these things we have discussed, and number of diagonals to be drawn, that also we have discussed. So today we will discuss some more aspects with questions itself. So make a try, all of you. All of you try this. Very good, very good. Many of you are getting the answers. Okay, okay, Apurva. So Most of you are right. Which of the following is the odd one out? Last class we discussed about different types of polygons and all now. So that idea is enough to do this question. Isosceles triangle, all angles are not equal, all sides are also not equal. Two angles are equal, two sides are equal. But square, all angles are equal. Na? Regular hexagon, all angles are equal. Rectangle, all angles are equal. Or we can say rectangle, regular hexagon, square, ये तीनों polygons equiangular polygons है, equiangular है. लेकिन isosceles triangle equiangular polygon नहीं है. So that is why the odd one out will be isosceles triangle. Please respond, is this clear or not? So option A is the answer. Yeah, if you check sides, you cannot find one single odd one out because rectangle ka bhi all sides equal nahi hai, isosceles triangle ka bhi all sides equal nahi hai, so that will not help. That is why we took the angle property to find the odd one out. Yeah, odd one out problem always challenging hai kyunki kya criteria use karna hai, that is actually a little tricky. Yeah, last class we have discussed different types of polygon: regular, irregular, convex, concave, simple, complex. So if you missed it, check out the recording of that after this class. And properties of polygons: what is sum of interior, exterior angles, and each angles of a regular polygon, and number of diagonals in an n-sided polygon. And properties of triangle we discussed, types of triangles we discussed. So these were some of the things we discussed. So can you try this question? This is a very good question asked in 2012 NET exam. Well, if you try it. By this question, we will get a familiarity with concurrency and collinearity and all. Right. Any answers? If you are not getting, you can mention in the chat. Then I will start explaining. Okay, most of you are not getting now. Ritika, yeah, 2D geometry we are discussing now. 3D geometry we will discuss on another class. I think today we need time to complete 2D geometry itself. So let us start. 4 lines are drawn on a plane with no 2 parallel lines. What is parallel lines? You all know, right? 2 lines are parallel. 1 second, I will change the resolution of this video. or change the display of this video. Just a minute. Okay, now it is more clear, I guess. Okay, 4 lines are drawn on a plane with no 2 parallel lines. So 2 parallel lines means you all know what is parallel lines, right? 2 lines parallel because the angle between them is 0. And parallel lines, perpendicular lines, intersecting lines, all you know, I guess. So no 2 parallel lines means ये 4 lines में एक भी pair parallel नहीं होना चाहिए. मतलब चारों lines non parallel होना चाहिए. एक भी pair parallel नहीं होना चाहिए. That is the meaning of no 2 lines parallel. So no 2 lines parallel and no 3 lines concurrent. What is concurrent? 3 or more lines are concurrent if they meet at a common point. If they meet at a common point. For example, if this is meeting at a common point, yeah, if this is 3 lines, this is concurrent 3 lines because there is a common intersection point. Yeah, 2 lines, there is no concurrency. That is only intersection. 2 lines, concurrency is defined only for 3 or more lines. Are you all understanding? 3 or more lines are concurrent if they meet at the same common point. Again, these are just school math only. You have learned in school days only the definition of concurrency. But in this 4 lines, no lines should be concurrent. I mean no 3 lines. That means all 4 lines or 3 or 4 lines should not meet at the same point. That is a situation. Lines are drawn joining the points of intersection of the previous 4 lines. So first of all, you can create such 4 lines. Such 4 lines you can create which are not parallel at all. For example, I draw 2 lines like this and 2 lines like this. This satisfy all the conditions in the question. 4 lines I drawn. None of them are parallel. No 3 are concurrent also. 2 are intersecting, that is not a problem. Then question is asking lines are drawn joining the points of intersection of the previous 4 lines. So by extending this, you need to create points of intersection. Points of intersection means this, 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 this. And by joining them, you are forming lines. By joining them, you are forming lines. Then how many lines can be drawn? So I will show you the image I have drawn so that it will be more clear to understand. So 4 lines like this. By extending this, I can create, yeah, here you should see that you can extend this more and more. After some point, this line and this line will intersect. That means the picture will be like this. Are you all understanding? Now, how many points of intersection you have created? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Please check it. This extended, this will also meet after some time because they are not parallel, na? So somewhere they should meet. Somewhere they should meet. So if you draw it correctly, it is very easy. How many of you understood this? Please respond. Now question is asking what? Lines are drawn joining the points of intersection. Ye points of intersection join karna hai. This one, then this one can be joined, then this one can be joined. So how many lines are formed? 3 lines are formed. So 3 is the answer. Yeah, it's a strange question, na? It is making us construct all these things and derive the answer. Nothing difficult, but it is the question is checking whether you know what is parallel lines, what is concurrent lines. Please respond, all of you. Is this clear or not? Clear? Yes, Mo. Drawing the line was the difficult part. Hope it is clear, all of you. All of you clear. Then let's move on to the next question. Yeah, this one This one we haven't discussed last class, right? Then try this now. Yes, Mohu, whichever way you draw, answer will be 3 only. But provided you don't have any 2 parallel lines, any 3 concurrent lines. But the problem is if we not draw properly, that intersection may need a long line to be drawn. After maybe after maybe 1 meter only you will get the intersection, that in your paper it will be difficult to draw. So if you conveniently draw, it will be easy to understand, that's all. Very good, many of you got it right. Yeah, very simple question, na? If you know what is equilateral triangle and what is trapezium, there is nothing difficult in this. Yeah, that is what CSIR is checking, whether your very basic geometry is clear or not. June 2014 CSIR NET exam problem. 3 identical equilateral triangles. All 3 are of same shape and of side 5 centimeters. So side length of the equilateral triangle is 5. Each are placed together such that they form a trapezium. How 3 equilateral triangle can form a trapezium? That is the question. So this is an equilateral triangle. Similar 3 equilateral triangle, how you can join? Look at this. You can invert this triangle and then attach it to this and then attach this to this. You will get a trapezium. Yes, this is a YouTube live. The animation will work properly. In Unacademy classes when I teach, that animations you are not able to see. Now I guess plus students also in geometry class when we discussed, this animation was not clear. Hope it is clear now. So that is why this is a trapezium form. Now question is asking what? Question is asking what is the length of the longer of the 2 parallel sides. Trapezium का 2 parallel sides होता है ना, this one and this one here. Longer one which है, कौन सा है? ये है ना. ये longer one का length 2 equilateral triangle का side length का sum है ना, 5 plus 5 10 है ना. The 10 centimeter is the answer. Hope all of you understood this. Very simple, right? If that is clear, one more question on trapezium we will discuss. All of you try this. Once again, if any of your friends want to attend the session, please invite them. Let more people join. This is a completely free course on geometry. First time we are conducting this much detailed course in YouTube channel. Normally in Plus platform I take this course. So please make sure your friends are invited to this session. A option, B option, 2 options I can see in the answer options. C option also. Let's see which is correct. In the trapezium ABCD, what is the length of CP? Yes, CP length चाहिए. CP length क्वेश्चन में क्लियरली लिखा है ये एक राइट ट्रायंगल है. CPB एक राइट ट्रायंगल है. And that is a hint how to do this question faster. राइट ट्रायंगल में पाइथागोरस थ्योरम अप्लाई कर सकता है. उसके लिए हाइपोटेन्यूज दिया है 5 और और ये टोटल 16 है, ये पैरेलल साइड का लेंथ 16 है, ये पैरेलल साइड का लेंथ 10 है। मतलब मैं ये भी ज्वाइन कर रहा है, आई एम ज्वाइनिंग और आई एम ड्रॉइंग ए परपेंडिकुलर फ्रॉम डी टू द साइड ए बी एंड आई एम कॉलिंग दिस से क्यू। सो डी क्यू ए भी एक राइट ट्रायंगल है और डी क्यू ए एंड सी पी भी सिमिलर राइट ट्रायंगल्स है और सेम डिमेंशन होगा उसका, इसका 5। सो सेम डिमेंशन होगा मतलब 16, ये देखो ये 10 है तो इसका ऑपोजिट साइड 10 होगा। क्यू पी लेंथ और पी क्यू लेंथ भी 10 होगा। पी क्यू लेंथ 10 है तो पी बी और ए क्यू दोनों 3 होगा ना। सो दैट टोटल 16 इज सेटिस्फाइड एंड दैट इज इनफ टू कंक्लूड द आंसर। पी बी 3 है तो ये 4 होना चाहिए। पाइथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट वी हैवंट डिस्कस्ड येट, आई विल डिस्कस दैट। Pythagorean triplet means triplet which satisfies Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem सबको पता है ना? So there are many triplets which satisfies Pythagoras theorem. 3, 4, 5 is the most easiest one or most commonly used one in school days. 3, 4, 5 Pythagorean triplet है, सबको याद होगा क्योंकि बहुत examples में 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13 ये दोनों examples हम लिया था। So Pythagorean triplet का speciality क्या है? पाइथागोरस थ्योरम से भी यूजफुल होगा पाइथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट, क्योंकि पाइथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट पता है तो आपको ये 3 और 5 पता है तो यू डोंट हैव टू डू 5 स्क्वायर माइनस 3 स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर रूट, डायरेक्टली यू कैन से द थर्ड साइड विल बी 4. Yeah, it will be useful in bigger value cases more. So anyway, this will be 4. If you don't know Pythagorean triplet, then you have to do 5 square minus 3 square root of it. That will also give you 4 only, and CP ka length 4 hoga. Option B is the answer. All of you understood or not? Please respond in the chat. Is it clear, all of you? If it is clear, can you try this question? This question related basic idea last class में भी हम discuss किया था. Try करो अभी. November 2020 problem. सुदर्शना, इसका PDF नहीं मिलेगा, स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकता है. You can take the screenshot of this. PDF you will get in the Unacademy Plus platform courses. There's an option to download the PDF. Thank you, Patatri. Thank you for the good words. All of you try this and poll your answer or post your answer. Okay, many of you got option D and that is totally correct. A, B, C, D, E are the vertices of a regular pentagon. A regular pentagon है तो we know that sum of interior angle of any pentagon is 540. If you don't know that, you can use the formula n minus 2 into 180 degree, which I taught you in the last YouTube live. So 5 is the n here. N means number of sides. 5 minus 2 into 180, 540 होगा sum of interior angles. So ये regular polygon है, इसलिए n से divide किया तो each angle का value मिलेगा. So 5 से divide करना पड़ेगा. 540 by 5 is 108. तो 108 degree होगा each of these angles of this pentagon. हमें कौन सा एंगल चाहिए? ABC का एंगल चाहिए, लेकिन EBD का angle है 108. इतना 108 है. इतना 108 है तो ABC, sorry, ABC is actually inside it. This is ABC. ABC will be 1/3 of 108. Why it is 1/3? Because you can see that this is equally separated. Equally separated. Question says that ABCD are regular pentagon. So BE length, CE length, AC length, AD length, AB length are same. So we can say this angle, this angle, this angle are equal. That means the middle angle will be 108/3. If that idea is not enough to convince you that it is 1/3, you can take a circle, and using circle theorem also you can prove that. So that proof aspect I am not involving into now. Anyway, 36 degree will be the answer. This was the November 2020 net exam problem. Actually, same question was repeated in GATE exam also once. Let me see whether it is there in this slide. Yeah, this was the question. Post your answer fast. This is almost same as previous question. Previous question was 2020 net exam problem. This is 2021 GATE exam problem. This is the reason I say that try to prepare these two exams together. Try it and post your answer. Most of you got it. Yeah, 36 itself is the answer. So here, yeah, the way they have expressed the question is different, but the idea is the same itself. 5-line segment PR, PS, QS, QT, RT are used to form a star as shown in the figure, value of theta. So form a star means definitely as they are equidistant, sorry, as they are equidistant, we can say that, one second. As they are equidistant, we can say that when you join it, you will get a pentagon only or regular pentagon only. And then the solution is just like previous question itself. Question में क्या पूछा है? ये theta value. So ये पूरा 108 है. So ये theta value 108 का 1/3 होगा. 108/3 is 36 degree. So 36 is the answer, option A. I hope that is clear. Then coming back to more different questions. Yeah, try this question. This is asked in 2022 net exam also, 2016 net exam also. Make a try, all of you. OA, OB, OC are radii of the quarter circle shown in the figure. AB is also equal to the radius. What is the angle OCB? So here different aspects are coming. Very simple question only, but different small aspects you need to coordinate properly and answer. So first of all, ये एक इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल है, ए ओ ओ बी ओ ए बी इक्वल है, तो एक इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल है. इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल है तो तीनों साइड्स इक्वल है, इसलिए तीनों एंगल्स भी इक्वल होगा ना. आर यू ऑल अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाई this is equilateral and why these are 60? Because each angles are 60 for equilateral triangle. अभी ये पूरा क्वार्टर सर्कल है ना, क्वार्टर सर्कल है तो पूरा सर्कल है तो 360 डिग्री, सो क्वार्टर सर्कल है तो 90 डिग्री होगा ना. सो इतना 90 है तो ये 60 है तो रिमाइनिंग 30 होगा ना, ये 30 डिग्री होगा. वाई वी नीड दैट, क्योंकि हमारा रिक्वायर्ड अननोन ये है x. अभी ये ट्रायंगल BOC कंसिडर किया तो BOC में एंगल x इन्वॉल्व है ना. BOC एक आइसोसिलीस ट्रायंगल है. क्यों आइसोसिलीस है? क्योंकि ये दोनों साइड्स ये सर्कल का क्वार्टर सर्कल का रेडियस होगा. क्वार्टर सर्कल का रेडियस होगा. क्वार्टर सर्कल का रेडियस दोनों या सारा रेडियस सेम होगा ना. सो डेफिनेटली दीज टू साइड्स आर इक्वल. These two sides are equal means ये आइसोसिलीस ट्रायंगल है. लास्ट क्लास में हम डिस्कस किया था आइसोसिलीस ट्रायंगल का एक प्रॉपर्टी है, ऑपोजिट एंगल्स ऑफ इक्वल साइड्स आर इक्वल. ये दोनों साइड्स इक्वल है तो इसका ऑपोजिट एंगल्स है ये दोनों. ये x है तो ये भी x होगा. एंड दैट इज इनफ टू फिनिश द क्वेश्चन यूजिंग एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी. ट्रायंगल BOC में एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी अप्लाई किया तो x plus 30 180 है ना. That is 2x plus 30 180 है. That is 2x equal to 150, x is equal to 75. Yeah, you can write like this, but I will not agree with writing like that. Think in your mind instead of writing those steps. You can just think. ये तीनों मिला के 180 मिलना चाहिए. ये तो 30 है तो ये दोनों मिला के 150 होना चाहिए. ये दोनों इक्वल है तो 150 इक्वल होने के लिए दोनों 75 होना चाहिए. That way you need to conclude rather than writing the steps. I write the steps for those people who are confused. So anyway, I hope all of you understood it. This is more explanation of it. If there is any doubt, please ask. This was the latest net exam problem. This is the property we used. Isosceles triangle ka angle opposite to equal sides are equal. And then equilateral triangle. And then 30 degree quarter circle ka idea. So quarter circle, isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle, all are involved there. Then try this question. Very good question. Another one. Feb 2022 and 2015 June, this question was asked. All of you try. B and D option. Let's see. AB is the diameter of a circle. The chord CD is perpendicular to AB, intersecting it at P. If CP is equal to 2 and PB is equal to 1, the radius of the circle is. So AB is the diameter of the circle. So this is the diameter. Chord CD is perpendicular to AB, intersecting it at P. If CP equal to 2, so question says this much is 2, CP is 2, PB equal to 1, this much is 1. Radius of the circle, radius means I can draw from center like this. If this is O, be the center, OC is the radius, this is our required unknown. ये देखो ये perpendicular है, so definitely ये 2 है, इसका value find कर सकता है तो x का value निकाल सकता है पाइथागोरस थ्योरम यूज करके. सो ये OP का लेंथ फाइंड करना है. OP का लेंथ x minus 1 होगा ना, as x is the radius, ये भी रेडियस है, OB भी रेडियस है. सो x minus 1 x2 sorry x minus 1 2x वो ट्रिपलेट से definitely you can find using Pythagoras theorem. All of you understood this? Please respond. x हमारा required unknown और radius का length है तो ये भी x होगा, ये 1 है तो ये x minus 1 होगा OP length. अभी ये triangle OCP consider करके Pythagoras theorem apply करना है. उसके बाद इसको simplify करना है. Again, if you are not that fast in doing this, ये equation बनाने के बाद elimination कर सकता है. You can substitute the values into the question, values into this equation and see which value will satisfy. ऐसा भी कर सकता है. Are you all understanding this? Yes, Pythagoras theorem. Yes, SP. All of you understood this now? So finally x is equal to 2.5 you will get. Yeah, here x minus 1 the whole square plus 2 square is x square means x minus 1 the whole square. You can use a minus b the whole square formula, x square minus 2x plus x square minus 2x plus 1 you can apply and then simplify it to get the value of x. If all of you are clear, let's move on to the next question. This is a very good question, all of you try. OCB इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल नहीं होगा पूर्वा, वो आइसोसेलेस होगा ना. OC एंड OB इक्वल होगा लेकिन CB इक्वल होना जरूरी नहीं है. Those of you are attending the session live or recorded, make sure you share this video to your friends or at least do let me know whether the session was useful by hitting the like button if you felt it was useful, so that it will be suggested to more people by YouTube. This is part of the geometry full-length free course we are running. There will be 2 more sessions minimum in this course. That will be most probably next week, and more free classes if you want to be part of. In the description, sorry, in the comment section, the first comment or the pinned comment you can click and you can see the Unacademy free platform classes of mine. Free classes are called special classes in Unacademy. By clicking that link, you will be able to access the profile where I have uploaded more than 450, about 500 free classes I have given there. 500 free classes for CSIR NET, GATE General Aptitude, Vedic Mathematics, DBT, Set Exam General Aptitude. All those things will be completely free by just clicking on the link in the comment section. And that are special classes, but full-length courses are paid courses that are plus courses. By plus subscription with referral code CC10Live, you can access that also. Okay, so this question, only few of you got it right. I'll wait for 30 seconds more. Try it, all of you. Okay, some of you got option A, others I think are confused. Any other answers? On a semicircle of diameter 10 meter, ये semicircle का diameter 10 meter है तो radius 5 meter होगा ना. Drawn on a horizontal ground are standing 4 boys A, B, C, D with distances AB equal to BC equal to CD. Yeah, now you may be thinking AB means this line, this curve, this curve, this curve. These are equal. The length of the line segment joining A and B. Some of you got option D, I guess. Option D also is there in the chat. Option D, if you got, I will tell you the mistake you have done. Option D is wrong. You have taken the total circumference. Diameter 10 है तो radius 5 है, so 5 pi होगा. Pi into radius होगा ना. Circumference of a semicircle. 5 pi circumference होगा. As AB, BC, CD are equidistant, यह कर्व का लेंथ, BC का लेंथ, CD का लेंथ तीनों 5 pi by 3 होगा. 5 pi total 5 pi को 3 equal portions किया है. So 5 pi by 3 you got, but that is wrong क्योंकि वो arc length है, curve length है. Arc length नहीं, line segment length चाहिए. Line segment means the straight line joining A and B, not the curve joining A and B. That is why 5 pi by 3 is wrong. But let me tell you, to those people who got 5 pi by 3, if you got 5 pi by 3, you can continue to get the correct answer because the options are so helpful for that. I'll tell you how. ये curve length आपको मिला 5 pi by 3 है, लेकिन हाँ आपको चाहिए ये line segment length, ये है हमारा original answer. But you can say that ये curve length से भी कम होगा ना ये line segment length. X का value 5 pi by 3 से भी less होगा क्योंकि एक स्ट्रेट लाइन ड्रॉ करना और कर्व ड्रॉ करना दोनों सेम पॉइंट से ड्रॉ किया तो सेम पॉइंट को ज्वाइन किया तो स्ट्रेट लाइन विल बी द शॉर्टेस्ट कंपेयर टू एनी अदर कर्व. सो डेफिनेटली x इज लेस देन 5 pi by 3 वी कैन से. मतलब आंसर 5 pi by 3 से भी कम होना चाहिए. 5 pi by 3 मीन्स व्हाट? 5 into 3.14 by 3. 3.14 by 3 1 से थोड़ा से ज्यादा होगा ना. 3 by 3 1 है. 3.14 by 3 1 से थोड़ा से ज्यादा होगा. 5 into 1 से थोड़ा से ज्यादा मतलब 5 से थोड़ा से ज्यादा होगा. 5 से थोड़ा से ज्यादा वाला नंबर से कम होना चाहिए आंसर. 5 से थोड़ा ज्यादा वाला नंबर से कम मतलब 6 नहीं हो सकता, 7 नहीं हो सकता, ये तो नहीं हो सकता. 5 is the only such possibility. That is how you can continue if you found the arc length. But that is not the correct method because that is totally because options were so silly. Silly in the sense so simple. But if the options were not supportive, you have to do in other way. Yeah, other ways are also easy actually. Via construction, you can get an intuition. What is it? Intuitively, you can conclude. Take the approximate center of this, and if you join AB, which is our required unknown, BC, which is also equal to this itself, because AB and BC are equal, and OC, if O is the center, and OA, you will see that it is a rhombus. It is a rhombus. Rhombus means all sides are equal. So if this is X, this is also X, and this we already know it is 5 क्योंकि ये radius है, तो X का value भी 5 है. That is enough to finish. That way also you can do. That is how you can intuitively conclude by drawing a rough image. But if that intuition is not coming, what you can do is you can prove it. Proving is actually a little more time consuming process. I will show you that also. How you can prove that, that will be 5. Look at this. ABCD total 10 diameter है, so radius 5 होगा और ABBC CD का length equal है, तो ये 5 है. मतलब ऐसा कंस्ट्रक्ट किया तो ये सब 5 होगा ना. ये 5 है, ये 5 है, ये 5 है, ये 5 है, क्योंकि ये चारों रेडियस है. मतलब ये 5 है, ये 5 है. इफ आई कंसिडर दिस ट्रायंगल AOB, ये ऑलरेडी ये दोनों साइड्स इक्वल है, सो एटलीस्ट आइसोसेलेस है. एंड ये टोटल 180 है ना, क्योंकि एंगल ऑन अ स्ट्रेट लाइन इज 180. 180 इक्वली सेपरेट किया है क्योंकि ABBC CD का लेंथ इक्वल है, so their central angle also should be equal. तो ये 60 होगा. ये 60 है तो ये देखो, ये ट्रायंगल AOB कंसिडर किया तो ये दोनों इक्वल होना चाहिए क्योंकि आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल है, 5 5 है तो ऑपोजिट एंगल्स इक्वल होना चाहिए. लाइक वी डिड इन दैट क्वेश्चन, क्वार्टर सर्कल के अंदर ट्रायंगल वाला क्वेश्चन है ना, ऐसा ही प्रूव कर सकता है दैट दीज टू आर आल्सो 60. वाई? ये 60 है ना, बाकी दोनों मिला के 120 मिलना चाहिए, बाकी दोनों इक्वल होना चाहिए. वाई बाकी दोनों इक्वल होना चाहिए? क्योंकि ये दो साइड्स इक्वल है तो ऑपोजिट एंगल्स इक्वल होना ही चाहिए. सो ये 60 है, ये 60 है, मतलब ये आइसोसेलेस ही नहीं, ये इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल है, टू बी मोर प्रिसाइज. ये इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल है तो ये दोनों 5 है तो ये भी 5 होगा ना. दैट इज द प्रूफ व्हाई दैट इज 5. Are you all understanding this? How 5 is the answer? More explanation I have written here. There is any doubt, please ask. श्रेया, पीएचडी के लिए नेट एग्जाम जरूरी नहीं है, लेकिन जेआरएफ है तो आपका स्कॉलरशिप अच्छा होगा और ईसीआर होगा पीएचडी के लिए एडमिशन. बिना जेआरएफ भी पीएचडी एडमिशन मिलता है, लेकिन स्टाइपेंड कम होगा एंड इन सम प्लेसेस स्टाइपेंड नहीं होगा. या मोस्ट ऑफ द प्लेसेस स्टाइपेंड होगा बट वेरी लेस स्टाइपेंड. Some places offer or some universities offer almost same stipend as JRF, but there will be other criterion like entrance test or interview and gate exam score. Many different criterions in different universities for PhDs. All of you understood this now? If that is clear, can you try this question? A option, many of you got it. Let's see. A, B, C, D are 4 consecutive points. Consecutive means they are the difference, like first and second difference, second and third difference, third and fourth difference are equal. All of them are equidistant, we cannot say, but we can say like if consecutive numbers we say now 1 2 3 4, 1 2 difference, 2 3 difference, 3 4 difference are equal. Same way consecutive points means distance between them should be equal. So A, B, C, D are 4 consecutive points on a circle such that the chords AB equal to BC equal to CD, BC equal to CD equal to 10 centimeter and DA equal to 20 centimeter. So if you draw the picture, it is super easy actually. If this is a circle, A, B, C, D, if you consider like this, and if you draw like this is 20. Now this is actually somewhat similar to previous question. Question is asking you to find what? Question is asking you to find, sorry, radius of the circle itself. So actually this will be the diameter. That is what we need to understand. How that is diameter, that is actually similar to the proof I have given for the previous question. Likewise, you can prove that this is diameter. But when you draw roughly itself, you will get that it is a diameter. Because if it is not diameter, one way you can draw is like this: 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, like it is a square inscribed. But then this also will be 10. This should be 20 now. For that, this should be longer than the other three sides. For that, it should be diameter. Again, that is not a mathematical proof. Mathematical proof ke liye what you can do is you can take the center, and like I told you, you can separate, divide it into three equilateral triangle. You can prove it is equilateral, and then you will understand ये equilateral होने के लिए ये radius होना जरूरी है. Then only this will work. That way you can prove, but roughly drawing the picture itself is enough here. I think with the previous question understanding, this is clear that that will be diameter. Diameter is 20 means radius is 10. That's all. Is that clear? Yeah, this question, this circle theorem I will teach you in the next class. Circle theorem related questions we will start next class. No theorem involved questions we will discuss today. Rest we will discuss in the next class. Yeah, try this question. This is very interesting question. Option A, many of you got. D option also. Let's see which is correct. ABCD are points on a circle with AB equal to 5 cm, BC equal to 12 cm, AC equal to 13 cm, and AD equal to 7 cm. Here you should understand one thing. A 5, 12, 13, when you see, you should understand it is a Pythagorean triplet. Pythagorean triplet means triplet which satisfies Pythagoras theorem. And yeah, that is actually a circle theorem. Circle theorem we haven't started yet. Next class we will discuss more about it. If you draw the picture, it will be something like this. Look at this. AB 5, BC 12, AC 13. Then this AC will be diameter. How I am sure about it? There is a theorem. Angle inscribed in a semicircle is right angle. This should be a semicircle, then only this can be right angle. This should be right angle. Why? 5, 12, 13 is Pythagorean triplet. लेकिन एक सर्कल के अंदर राइट एंगल मिलने के लिए वो सेमी सर्कल के अंदर इंस्क्राइब्ड हुआ एंगल होना चाहिए. इंस्क्राइब्ड मींस विथ AC as the base, that should be the angle. So this should be 90 degree. So this is a semicircle. If that is a semicircle, we can say that the other part also is a semicircle, and this AD length 7 cm I can draw like this. Question is now asking what should be CD length. ये सेमी सर्कल है तो ये भी सेमी सर्कल है, मतलब ये भी राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल है. तो 7, 13 है तो ये x फाइंड करने के लिए पाइथागोरस थ्योरम यूज कर सकता है. 7 स्क्वायर प्लस x स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 13 स्क्वायर. इसको सॉल्व किया तो आंसर मिलेगा. इसको सॉल्व कर सकता है. x स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 169, 7 स्क्वायर टेकन टू द अदर साइड -49, x स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 120. X is equal to approximately 11. Question also is asking approximate answer. Did you all understood this? It's a very good question where if you draw the picture properly, it is easy. Option C will be the correct answer. Then can you try, there is another similar question which is even more interesting. Look at this. December 2015 problem. Make a try, all of you. Try it, all of you. Okay. So D option, many of you got. Let's see whether it is correct. A turtle starts swimming from a point A located on the circumference of a circular pond. So here also you should roughly draw the pictures to get a clarity. So like turtle starts from a point A. I will take you can take point A anywhere, no problem at all. So A located on the circumference of the circular pond. After swimming for anywhere means anywhere on the circumference. After swimming for 4 meters in a straight line, and whichever direction you want, you can draw. I am just drawing to this direction. If you want to, you can draw this direction, this direction, this direction. No problem at all. So I am drawing to this direction AB. From that it changes direction, and this is important. Changes direction to which direction? How I know that this is the direction? That you understand from here. D is diametrically opposite to point A. मतलब A और D के बीच में एक diameter होना चाहिए. उसके लिए from B it should turn perpendicular only. Same reason I told you for the previous question. Angle inscribed in a semicircle will be right angle. Or if diameter is taken as the base and you are inscribing an angle inside it, that should be perpendicular only. That is how we should draw. That is why we should draw 90 degree. Did you all understood this? Again, those of you want to see circle theorems. These are the major circle theorems you learned in school days. These are important, especially the last 3. You should remember. Many questions were asked regarding that. Next class I will discuss more about it. Now we are only discussed about this one. Angle subtended in a semicircle is right angle. So this angle 90 degree hona hi chahiye. And the converse is also true. If the angle is right angle in a circle, inscribed angle is a right angle in a circle, then that is an angle inside a semicircle, or the base should be a diameter. So that is why we can say that this is 90 degrees. So this is 3 units mentioned because B moved 3 units and A to B 4 units. So 3 units, 4 units means this will be 5 units. Pythagoras theorem or Pythagorean triplet. And that is what is asked now. D to A distance 5 meter. Is that clear? All of you, please respond. So about other theorems, these two theorems we will discuss in the next class. Hope what we discussed today is clear to all of you. If you want to learn all topics from me like this, not only geometry, all the topics of CSIR NET Part A in detail, you can be part of my full-length courses. Full-length courses timing is 8:30 a.m. and 2 p.m. Monday we are starting a new full-length course that is like a revision course or practice course before your NET exam. I have prepared 10 model question papers for you and 2 model question papers issued by CSIR. And these 12 question papers I will be making you practice in 15 different sessions. This is the new course information. 12 model question paper discussion will be done, 1 question paper each on a day, and after every 3 class there will be a doubt clearing session, and it is equally useful for all science stream students. And timing of the live courses 2 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. Recording attend karna hai to you can attend any time in your subscription period, and course will be starting from July 18. To enroll for this course, you can take Unacademy Plus subscription with the referral code CC10 or CC10 live. And this is the revision course starting on Monday. If the full-length complete course, if you want to be part of, that is already live. You can watch that also live or recorded. Mystery lectures also you can watch recorded. So these 2 courses are in the Plus platform. Plus platform courses, as I told, you need a single subscription to access all educators courses. Subject courses, aptitude courses, together you need to pay a single amount only. And this is how to get maximum discount on your Plus subscription and access all educators, all courses for the subscription period you are choosing. So that's it. And if you are not able to afford Unacademy Plus subscription, still you can attend my special classes on YouTube live. All my previous classes, if you want to get in one go, you can search in Google General Aptitude with Christy Varghese or General Aptitude by Christy Varghese. You will see the playlist of the classes I have taken. In YouTube there are more than 300-400 classes. Full-length lectures itself there are more than 200, and there are 100 to 200 short videos I have provided for General Aptitude. You can check out that also. So that's it. I think for today we will conclude here. So all of you are once again invited to the new course starting from Monday, and the present course running at 8:30 a.m. Both the courses you are welcome to be part of. So that's it. Thank you all of you. Take care all of you. Have a good day. See you all in the next class. Next class most probably will be coming Thursday or Friday. Friday definitely class will be there. Thursday class will be there or not, you will be notified. You can be part of my special class profile and follow button. You can follow the button. You can click on the follow button to get update whenever I take a free live class. And my daily free live classes happen at 11 a.m. Today only I took at 2 p.m. because this is part of the YouTube festival that is running. But normally I take classes at 11 a.m. free classes, plus classes at 2 p.m. and 8:30 a.m. currently. So the 11 a.m. free classes, you can find it in the Unacademy special class platform. So that's it. Thank you all of you. Take care all of you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.